I love them because I like to shop. But y'all like to watch me open it. So, here we go with another one. We're going to open this up. Oh, and I actually recorded a video the other day, but I didn't upload it. So, this is going to be my third light that I got. I'll probably insert a clip of a little bit of piece of that video. I didn't really like it too much. Okay. Turn that light off. Now. Okay. It's not as bright as this one because it's smaller. That makes sense. It'll do for TikTok because I don't need it that bright for TikTok. But, and I'm going to put the link in the description because y'all always asking me where I got stuff from. So, this is from Amazon. I just love Amazon. And I think it's just because the stuff comes the next day with that Prime. But, yeah. We just going to open this up and ignore my mother in the background. She want to call people when I start my video. Oh, help. Oh, Amazon, the only people that put boxes inside of boxes. Ooh, and a couple of y'all want to know what I be purchasing from Amazon. So I got an Amazon haul coming real soon. Paper. Okay, Amazon. Y'all don't gotta put boxes inside a box. Another box. Great. Amazing. Oh, follow me on TikTok. I've been on TikTok lately. TikTok is very addicting. Ooh, this is fancy. Ladies, get you one of these. Stay safe. Okay, it's kind of heavy. Oops, my bad. It's kind of heavy. We're going to put this stuff back in this box. Put this box back in this box. Okay. Look, I got 2 ring lights now. This is my old one, and I'm using the new one right now. It's just a vibe. Okay, so we got fast. It's fancy. Ooh, this is how it comes. On the inside, another box. Amazing. Okay, we got. Ooh. Let's just go ahead and open them right now. Okay, this is the top of the light. Look. Okay, we're gonna close that up. You need plugs. Okay. Next. Next we got. Oh, it came with the light bulbs. That's great. We have a light bulb. I hope it changed colors. And a remote. This looks like my remote to my TV. It's so little and cute. Little black remote. I think it goes to the light bulb. We have. I thought this. Okay. Another tripod. A bigger one. This one's way bigger than the 2 I have now. Okay. Yeah, okay. This is probably another light bulb because it's the same box. Another light bulb with a different remote. Okay. This is the same pack as the first one, so we're just gonna assume it's the same thing. This one's different, and that's it. Oh no, this is probably another tripod. Okay, so it's 2 lights. I thought it was just 1. Ooh, it's 2 lights. We're gonna set one up right now. So this is, am I doing this wrong? I think that's as far as it goes. Wait. Oh, never mind. There you go. Okay, that's it. We're gonna tighten this up right here. Okay, that's good. And we're gonna bring it higher. So we're gonna unloosen these and pull this up to about right here so y'all can see. Okay. I already opened this one, so we're gonna put this one on here first. Take this off. It ain't no instructions in none of these boxes. I guess I'm just supposed to know how to do this. I'm gonna be back with y'all. I'm gonna look at my Amazon stuff first. Okay, so I found some instructions on Amazon and they wasn't really that instructional. So we just gonna stop. We just gonna go with the flow. So open this up and put the light bulb in there because that makes sense. Open it up all the way. Come on now. Okay. There we go. Now we're gonna put the light bulb in there. Get this handy dandy light bulb. Ooh. And put it in. Take this off. And screw it in like a light bulb. Hold on, it's crooked. It's crooked. Demir, what? Okay. It's in there. I'm glad it came like this because I hate when they send the ones where you need a box. Okay, and so I'm probably set up the next one. I'm gonna turn this on and see the difference it makes in my video. So we're gonna plug this up and see what it does. Oh, it's missing the thing on top of it. Hold on. This on top of it. So we're gonna put this on top. I think this helps with the eye or something. I don't know. This goes on top of the light. Let me show you guys. So it's like a little sticky in here and it sticks on you. Yes, sir. Okay. That's how it goes. So let's plug this up and see. my gosh. Yes, hunty. Giving me studio vibe. Studio vibe. Okay. Let's check out the remotes for it. I hate when things don't come with batteries. Like how I just purchased this. And I need batteries. I'm gonna get some batteries. Give me a sec. I'm not sure if y'all noticed, but I turned out the light in my house and it's still right here. So we're gonna put 2 Duracell batteries in there. Okay. Warm. Cold. Okay. White. White is very bright. Warm. Cold. White. Then it says 20%, 50%, 100%. And then it has like sunrise and sun up. So that's like, okay. And then it has a little sunset, sunrise. And then it says minus K and K plus or K minus. So we're going to see what K minus is. I'm not sure if y'all can see it. I can see it. And then it has an auto. Oh, okay. I like 20%. And I like white. 20%. I like it. I'll probably do 50 in my videos. Ooh. Pics coming soon because your girl gonna use these to take pictures. Pose. Four lights for one girl. How crazy is that? Okay, at least it controls both of them. Instead of me having to have 2. I'm gonna give these an 8 out of 9 because they should really come with instructions. I mean, it wasn't rocket science. It wasn't that hard to put together, but it still should come with instructions. And I feel like when you purchase stuff over $50 and these batteries, they should put batteries. Even if the batteries only gonna last a week, they should place batteries in there, because what if I don't have batteries in my house? So yeah, no, I'm gonna give it an 8.5 because it didn't come with the US where I needed a little head part for the thing, and it actually came with the actual plug. And all my ring lights came with where I needed to have buy another USB port, a little thingy, what do you call it? Little box. And this one wasn't like that. So yeah, I'm actually setting me up a new YouTube section in my house because the one that I used to use, I don't like it anymore. Just the plain white background. I mean, I'm still gonna be a plain white background, but it's gonna be different. It's gonna be new. Y'all gonna like it. I'm gonna love it. But thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna do some more videos, and my daughter's gonna do some videos with me. So y'all stay tuned for that. You wanna come say hey? Yeah. Come here. Come sit over here.
What's this?
Come on.
It's light.
Yeah, this light.
Hey.
So yeah. Y'all like her shirt? It says "Beautiful like Mom." So thank you guys for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up. She's trying to get my lipstick off my lips. Give my lipstick back. Okay, so give this a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel. Subscribe to her new channel. Subscribe to my reaction channel. And yeah, we're only up from here. These lights are dope. They're really, really good. And super bright. Let's see how she reacts on 100. Let's see. They're on 100 already? Oh, they are. Okay.
Actually,
Let's do warm.
that's cute. How that's that? It's white.
Yeah, okay. So, I like it. I hope you guys like the new lights. It's gonna give better quality for our videos.
Yeah.
And, oh, no. Oh. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.